making words leap, understanding, to jump off the page. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase that you might have come across in your reading or listening adventures. We're going to explore what it means for something to jump off the page. This expression is a vivid one, filled with imagination and imagery. So, let's unravel its meaning and see how you can use it in your own conversations or writings. When we say something jumps off the page, we're speaking metaphorically. This phrase doesn't involve any physical jumping or literal pages taking action. Instead, it's used to describe a situation where words, images, or ideas are so lively or striking that they seem to come to life in your mind. It's as if they are standing out from the rest of the content, demanding your attention and leaving a strong impression. This expression is often used in contexts like reading a book, looking at a piece of art, or reviewing a document. For example, a character in a novel might be so well described and relatable that they feel incredibly real to you, as if they're jumping off the page and into your reality. Let's see how this phrase can be applied in different sentences to enhance your English communication. 1. In literature, the author's description of the sunset was so vivid, it just jumped off the page. 2. In resumes, when reviewing job applications, employers look for skills that jump off the page. 3. In art, her artwork is so dynamic. Each scene practically jumps off the page. 4. In academic writing, his thesis was filled with innovative ideas that really jumped off the page. Using this phrase correctly will not only enrich your vocabulary but also allow you to express appreciation for things that deeply impress you. Now, let's practice. Try to think of a book, movie, or artwork that left a strong impression on you. Use the phrase, to jump off the page, to describe what aspect of it was particularly striking or memorable. This exercise will help you internalize the phrase and become comfortable using it in your own context. Thank you for joining us today to learn about the phrase, to jump off the page. We hope this video has illuminated this colorful expression for you, making your English learning journey a bit more vibrant. Remember, language is not just about memorizing words and rules. It's about conveying feelings and images in a way that resonates with others. Keep practicing, and soon, your English skills will jump off the page too. See you in the next video.